All right, this is page 9, 10, and 12 in the packet I posted, the supplementary packet. So this first question here, if a line is parallel to y equal 4x plus 6, will it be parallel to 4x plus 5, y equal 30? So here is the equation there in question. So first I subtracted 4x, and then I divided both sides by 5, and I get negative 4/5 x plus 6. So the slope is negative 4/5, and it's not parallel because negative 4/5 does not equal 4/5. So I took this equation, solved for y, and found the slope by getting the line in slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form of line is y equal mx plus b. I can write it right here. So it's I got it in this form: y equals mx plus b, where this is the slope m and b is the y-intercept. Number 8, if a line is perpendicular to y equal negative 2/3 x minus 2, will be perpendicular to 2x plus 3y equal 12. Well, once again, I solve for y. So first subtract 2x from both sides, and then divide by 3, and you have y equal negative 2/3 x plus 4. So the slope for both lines is negative 2/3, which means that these two lines would be parallel to each other and perpendicular to the original line. And then graph a line N that is parallel to M through point P. So the slope of this line right here is up 1/2, which is 1/2. So if I draw this right triangle with a line, or a rise over run, so up 1 and over 2. That's this right triangle here. So this would be 1 and this would be 2. So the slope is 1/2. So I go to point P there and go up 1 and over 2. And that would be this point right here. And then draw a line through there. So the y-intercept would be -1 and the slope is 1/2. So the equation would be 1/2 y equal 1/2 x minus 1. That's page 9. And then page 10, it says graph a line Q that is perpendicular to M through point A. So the slope of this line right here is, if I draw a right triangle again, to find the rise over the run. So I could do it this way here. So down to, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something's wrong here. So let me. So if let me get rid of this line here. And then find this slope here. Get rid of this. All right, so if I find the slope of the original line here, so let me do the rise over the run again. So if I go this way and this way, so the rise is 2, and the run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. So the slope of line M is negative 2/5 because that line is decreasing from left to right. So negative 2 over 5. So the slope of line Q will be 5/2. So now what I would do here is go to point A here and then go down 5 and left 2. So down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2 is right here. So let me plot a dot there. So down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and left 2. And then if I go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, that's right there. And then if I draw a line through there, there we go. And so the y-intercept now is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is negative 5. So the equation would be y equals, the slope is 5/2, and then minus 5. All right. I'm gonna just stop the video here for page 9 and 10, and then come back and do page 12 because page 12 is a little bit longer there. So, all right, I'm gonna stop the video here.